Bitcoin price analysis. Billionaire Tudor Jones goes long on BTC as inflation fears rise. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Last updated, October 24, 2024, at 05:27 GMT+3. Crypto writer, Arslan Butt. Crypto writer, Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated, October 24, 2024, at 05:27 GMT+3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Bitcoin price analysis. Bitcoin, BTC, has maintained stability around the $67,000 level, bolstered by positive sentiment from billionaire investor Tudor Jones too. Recently, Jones expressed his belief in Bitcoin as a solid hedge against inflation, a view that has caught the attention of institutional investors. His endorsement could lead to heightened interest from larger market participants, potentially driving Bitcoin's price higher. As of today, the global cryptocurrency market cap stands at $2.31 trillion, with Bitcoin exhibiting notable volatility. The cryptocurrency has been testing its $67,000 support level, moving between bullish and bearish trends. A sustained break above the upper trend line could indicate renewed bullish momentum, encouraging more market activity. However, low trading volumes are tempering expectations of a significant rebound in the near term. Despite the uncertainty, the broader cryptocurrency market is showing resilience. Over the past week, Ethereum and Bitcoin ETFs saw an influx of $2.2 billion, signaling strong institutional interest. This inflow highlights growing confidence among investors, suggesting that bullish trends could be on the horizon for Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies. Tudor Jones too supports gold and Bitcoin as inflation hedges. As we mentioned, billionaire hedge fund manager Tudor Jones too is investing heavily in gold and Bitcoin BTC, because he thinks inflation will keep rising, no matter who wins the 2024 U.S. presidential election. In a recent interview on CNBC's Squawk Box, he said, "I think all roads lead to inflation," and explained that he is preparing his investments for higher prices. He is optimistic about both gold and Bitcoin, pointing out that many people have not invested enough in commodities like these. Jones also praised Bitcoin for performing well during tough economic times. Jones is worried about U.S. debt and believes the government might try to pay it off by increasing inflation, like other countries have done in the past. He mentioned that the U.S. might see its deficits rise to $2.8 trillion by 2034, which would add to inflation and cause interest rates to go up. Because of this, he does not want to hold fixed income assets, saying, "I am clearly not going to own any fixed income." Instead, he plans to bet against long-term bonds, as he thinks they are priced too high. Tudor Jones' too strong support for Bitcoin, combined with his concerns about inflation and U.S. debt, could boost investor confidence and demand for BTC. This optimism may lead to an upward trend in Bitcoin's price as more investors seek inflation hedges. Central banks' concerns over Bitcoin, a threat to monetary control and economic stability. Moreover, central banks are increasingly worried about Bitcoin because they believe it threatens their control over money and the economy. Officials from institutions like the European Central Bank, ECB, and the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, have voiced concerns that Bitcoin makes it harder for them to manage things like interest rates. Neil Kashkari, president of the Federal Reserve Bank of Minneapolis, called Bitcoin a useless piece of paper and claimed it impoverishes the financial system. These statements show how frustrated they are with Bitcoin's growing popularity. Central banks have been increasing the money supply, which has led to rising inflation and greater economic inequality. This means that wealthy banks and individuals benefit the most while regular people suffer, a situation known as the Cantillon effect. Bitcoin offers a different option because it is decentralized and has a fixed supply, making it less affected by inflation. Despite the negative views from central banks, Bitcoin is becoming more accepted in the financial world and is now seen as a permanent part of it. The real worry for central bankers is that Bitcoin takes away their power and profits from managing money while putting the burden of inflation on regular people. Bitcoin breaks above $67,250 EMA, eyes further gains toward $68,500. Bitcoin is gaining strength, trading at $67,160 after bouncing off key support at $65,230. The recent bullish momentum has allowed BTC to break above the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, at $67,250, a critical resistance level. This move suggests the potential for continued upward movement. Immediate resistance is now set at $67,900, and if Bitcoin surpasses this level, further gains towards $68,580 and $69,540 are possible. However, if bearish pressure returns, immediate support is located at $65,230, with a deeper support level at $63,760. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, currently stands at 52, indicating neutral conditions but leaving room for additional buying interest should momentum pick up. The breakout above the 50 EMA at $67,250 could fuel further bullish momentum. If Bitcoin manages to push beyond $67,900, it may signal a more sustained uptrend. However, traders should watch for support at $65,230, which could be tested if the market turns bearish. You might also like Bitcoin Price Prediction 2024 to 2034. Crypto All-Stars presale nears $2.6 million as Bitcoin adoption drives investor momentum. As Bitcoin continues to gain traction globally, Crypto All-Stars is nearing a significant milestone in its presale. With just over a day remaining, the platform has raised $2,666,206 out of its $2,848,759 target. This strong showing reflects growing investor interest as the presale approaches its final phase, with the current price of $1 stars at $0.0015188. Crypto All-Stars has leveraged Bitcoin's expanding influence to create a unique platform that combines meme coin staking opportunities with Bitcoin's established market presence. The project has seen rapid growth, initially raising $730,000 in just 1 week and now edging closer to its final goal. With only hours left until the price increases, investors are seizing the opportunity to buy into dollar stars before the presale ends. The platform distinguishes itself from competitors like Sun Wukong through strategic token allocation and long-term growth plans. Investors can purchase dollar stars using ETH, USDT, BNB, or by card, with the window quickly closing. Follow them on social media X, Twitter, Telegram to stay up to date on all their development plans. By Crypto All-Stars here. Follow us on Google News.